What's up guys, IrwinTech here. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be going over the topic of how to get a free Minecraft Java account in 2021. Before we start today's tutorial, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those post notifications so you can get notified whenever I upload banger videos just like this one. Also, special announcement, I've released brand new merch on my channel. We got hoodies, t-shirts, stickers, and so much more. It's professionally graphic designed. Go check it all out. Links in the description below. As always, also another perk to buying this merch is you will get a shout out in my videos. Doesn't matter when you buy the merch, you will get a shout out in my video after you buy that merch. So go ahead and go down below, buy the merch, go check it out. Links in the description below. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Anyways, let's just get straight into the tutorial. Quick announcement. Thank you to all these people for being members on my channel. Okay, back to the video. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, you'll need to go to this website, which is linked in the description below as always. Once you're at this website, go ahead and click Get Minecraft, then click Computer, then click Minecraft Java Edition, then go ahead and click on Buy Minecraft. We're not actually going to buy Minecraft, we're just going to enter in all the details and everything, and then when it comes to the payment, we're going to exit out of it, take our account, and go ahead and play. It will prompt you with this screen. Go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account. After that, you have either created your Microsoft account or you logged in with your existing one. Either way, you're at the payment section, but what you want to do now is minimize your browser. Go ahead and download Minecraft Launcher if you don't already have one already, but when you do, just go ahead and double click on it to launch it. Then sign in with your account. For me, it's just add an account since I already have one, but just go ahead and click Add Account or Sign In. Then click Microsoft Login. Then sign in with your email and your password you just created. Even though that is a demo, it's still playing Minecraft for free. Just go ahead and click Play Demo to play Minecraft. Then click Play Demo World. And yeah guys, now you have a free Minecraft account in 2021 for the Java version of Minecraft. Enjoy! Thank you all for watching. Here are all the shoutouts for today's video, and if you want to be featured in one of my videos, just comment down below I subscribed and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Anyways guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Go check out my merch linked in the description below, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!